In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add video to Brevo emails. To begin, log into your Brevo account and look at the main navigation. Find Marketing, then select Campaigns. This is where Brevo stores your email campaigns and where you can open an existing email to edit its content. Next, choose one of your campaign emails from the list. Click on the campaign you want to update, then look for the pencil icon, which is the edit option. Click that pencil icon to open the campaign for changes. This makes sure you are working inside the correct email rather than creating something separate. Once you are in the campaign editor, click Start Designing. This will bring you into the email design experience where you can adjust layout, add content blocks, and control what your recipients see when they open your message. Now select Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch is helpful when you want full control over placement and structure, especially if you are adding a video block and want it to sit exactly where you need it. Take a moment to confirm you are in the design view so you can access the content blocks. In the blocks area, locate the video block. Click and drag it into your email template. Then drop it in the position where you want the video preview to appear. A good tip is to place it near related text, so the video feels connected to the message, and to leave enough space around it so it stands out clearly. After the block is in your template, click directly on the video block to open its settings. In those settings, paste your video link into the provided field. Make sure you use the full link to the video page you want your audience to view. After pasting, pause briefly to confirm it loads correctly in the block and that the preview looks right for your email design. Once everything looks good, you have successfully added a video to your Brevo email campaign, and that is all there is to it.